Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today I have a really exciting video because I did a little bit of shopping and I wanted to share what I bought. It's actually not for myself, it is for my son. I got him some rain boots. I actually bought him his first pair of hunter rain boots. He's about to start kindergarten in the fall and I just thought that would be the perfect time for him to have his own pair of hunters and his first pair of hunter rain boots. So yeah, I just went ahead and got him his first pair and also some socks. And today I got the package in the mail and I was like, okay, I'm just going to film an unboxing and review video. I actually filmed a unboxing and review video when I got my own hunter rain boots. I think that was like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I don't even remember. But yeah, I have that video up on my channel too. Today is going to be the kids version. So I'm really excited. He actually picked the colors himself. I showed him all the different colors on the website and he was like, that one and this one. And that was it. It was super fast, super easy, and yeah, I'm just super excited. So this is the box. Isn't that just so cute? It's the same packaging as the adult hunter boots, just a bit smaller. And these are the original kits, and I got them in the size UK 9, European 27, and US 10. So let's open them up. Oh, and the color is navy. And that's actually perfect that he chose that color because his raincoat, it's navy blue. Navy and dark blue. So that's going to be cute because it's going to match. So yeah, let's open it up. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh, you guys, they're the cutest things I've ever seen. How cute are they? They look so tiny, but they come even in smaller sizes. And my son has, he's got quite some big feet, actually. Like he's 2.5 and he's already wearing a UK 9. But this is just what they look like. So they're navy and they look pretty much the same as the adult Wellington boots. They've got the little heel right here. And then on the back they've got 2 reflectors. That's different. The adult rain boots don't have that. And then they've got the buckle on the side, and then obviously the hunter logo. Aren't they just so cute? And then you've got your little hunter certificate. And yeah, I know with my own hunter unboxing and review video, I tried them on. Obviously, I can't try these on because I've got much bigger feet, obviously. But I'm going to have my son try them on and then you'll get to see what they look like when they're on. But yeah, they're super cute. I want to also show you the socks that I got, and they just look like that. These are the kids boot sock in the color peak blue and the size small. And the small, it's got like the nice little sizing info on the back. So the size small is from UK 7 to UK 9, so that was the size that I needed because he's got them in the size 9, and then medium would be 10 to 12, but that would be a little too big, so those will be his next ones when he sizes up. But yeah, this is just what they look like, and I'm going to take them out, and these are the fleece ones. I have the cable knit ones, and they have them too, but my son wanted these ones, like nice little blue. And then again, this is the contrast. So the navy looks really dark, like almost black now, and then this nice little vibrant peak blue for the sock. And his raincoat actually is in this color. So it's gonna be so cute when he wears all of it together. Now let's talk about price, because I know hunter rain boots, they're kind of pricey. They're not your cheapest rain boots out there. But then again, they're really great quality. I know some will say it's totally not worth it to get hunter rain boots for a toddler because your feet are growing so fast. These rain boots, they retail for $50. So these are 50. And the socks are 20. So that's 70. And shipping is 8. So $78 just out the window. Also, we can match now because I've got them in black and he's got them in navy. And then, you know, I mean, I'm out and about every day, even when it's raining, because we've got a dog. And yeah, it was just really convenient for him to get his own pair of hunters, because then we can match when we go take our dog for a walk in the rain. Yeah, I mean, not necessary, but I mean, if you can afford it, why not? You know what I mean? But anyway, so that's it pretty much for the unboxing and review part. I'm going to go ahead and grab my son real quick, and then you're going to get to see what they look like. I'm going to have him try them on just the plain boots, and then also the boots with the sock. So, stay tuned.
I got the rain boots. Look at the rain boots.
Alright, so that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye everybody!